Literally, there was one. Put in fifth, dude. Put in fifth. Tally ho, dude. Woo! Put in fifth. I am in fifth. Yeah, it's an episode of Family Guy. It's a great way to stay in shape. Yeah, right.
Oh no. Oh no.
We do.
Right. So, bike, Civic. You know what I mean? Yeah, basically it's. Oh no, dude.
Something like that.
Holy.
Whatever the length of that crank and pedal is.
Okay, well, we got some flat stock. Go get it, dude. You know what I mean? Alright.
Alright. Bring her around town, boys.
Seeing paints.
You know what I mean? When you spin the thing. You know, like when you're a kid and you're just like. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna put a bar on it to put the bike in the air.
The paper towel's on fire.
Dude, that's mint.
You guys see what we're working on here?
Yeah, it's mint, dude.
It's probably gonna work, maybe. Line up that back thing, dude.
How's it going?
Oh, it's going good. I wish I had a helmet though.
You have one.
Huh?
Is this 30?
I mean, the front, you know what I mean? Not so much. But, you know, over here, let's say it's do a little bar spin bunny hop, dude. How's it going? I got some faith in this, dude. Oh boy. Oh man, the acrobatics. It's a good thing AJ doesn't have to go in the front, dude. Holy, you know what I mean?
Oh my, you literally have to like climb over it. Oh my god, I really shake vigorously.
You know what I mean?
Dude, that's mint.
Oh, come on now, dude.
Should I hop on the back?
Yes.
Dude, listen, I took intro to construction elective.
Oh my god.
The bike definitely feels a little bit tilted to the.
Yeah, we're doing a whip, dude. No biggie.
We're like taking a right turn.
It goes like from this thing right here to this pulley. You already know what I mean, boys.
I think we gotta put it more in the center.
I know, but I'm just saying, like, in general, you know what I mean?
I had to go back and buy the same one that we just returned. So we gotta cut this off to be able to slip the pulley on. So I'm gonna go ahead and up my thumb again.
Yep, careful there, bud.
Literally just gonna be able to tack it.
Send it right there. It's not gonna move. All right, boys. Kyle's eating dinner. We're gonna take the bike to McDonald's, boys. We got it all welded up. We got the back pulley on. Tensioner's good. Pulley on the trainee's good. We're literally out here about to go to McDonald's. Sorry about the background noise. You guys don't even know. You know what I mean?
All right, we're ready to go.
All right, Damien, hop on the thing. It's time to go. God. Oh, you know what I mean? Oh, wait. Put the pedal down. Put the right pedal down.
Oh, like this? Yeah. All right. Oh no, dude.
Kyle, first gear, bud.
All right, hang on.
Don't pedal yet. Don't pedal too hard. AJ.
All right, here we go.
All right.
Oh my god.
Yo, Kyle, put it in second, dude.
Oh, second. Watch your head. Watch your head, dude.
You know what I mean? Oh, there we go, boys. He's going swimmingly.
Kyle, put it in fourth.
Why am I counter steering this bike? Oh my god, the reflection is. Dude, look at us, dude. We're a bunch of. What is this?
Yeah.
It goes into gear really wonky. Second and fourth are the best gears for this to go in.
Are we first on the bike? Are we? Kyle, we got it. Yo, what? Fifth! Fifth! No, you're not. That's fifth. All right, fifth. Yeah! Why am I steering the fucking bike, dude? You know what I mean? This is fucking man.
This is impeding traffic, though.
Nah, we're in the breakdown lane. We're broken down.
We're doing 2?
2 miles an hour.
You guys off. Yeah.
How's it going, eh?
What?
You're being a
Yo, this is insane, dude. Joey!
I love your shirt. Appreciate it, man. I love it. I love what you guys are doing. All right. Oh, hey, Kyle. You know what I mean? Go to the right a little bit, eh? Let these nice people. Oh, go to the right. Holy. Right, Kyle, that's towards the pole, eh? Alright, get the wheels on handlebars.
Everybody in town loves this.
Dude, everyone, it's that we're having a good.
Go, 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 green, green.
Victimless crimes and shit. This is definitely a crime. This makes my slowest bike ever, bud.
AJ's not even pedaling.
He's got it. Woo! Hard work, boys. We should just take the thing for a cruise every day. I'll lose so much weight. I'm not even pedaling.
Everyone is literally filming and laughing and giggling. This is the most lively I've ever seen Torrington.
Yeah!
You guys suck.
We're getting arrested, boys. You know what I mean? I'm literally, I lost 3 pounds this ride. Yeah, he's got.
They're all filming.
Dude, we're getting you. Alright, boys. Literally, there was one.
Dude, everybody loves it except that one old lady.
We'll get some good action of the engineering, dude.
Zero emissions, you know what I mean?
Oh my god, they're literally all filming in that truck.
We're playing chicken. I'm nervous. Hello, please don't kill us. Holy shit.
Pedal faster, she said.
You know what I mean? Alright, dude. Take a break. Kyle, you gonna order?
Sure.
Give me a sweet tea, bud. You know what I mean?
I need a water.
Give me a sweet tea, light ice.
I definitely need a water.
Well, McDonald's, what can I get for you?
Water.
Give me a. You know what I mean?
I just threw on my bicycle here.
And then can I also have a medium pink lemonade slushie? That'll be all.
Where's the water? You got the water?
Yep, first window.
Oh,
Come on, AJ, let's.
put it in fifth, dude. Put it in fifth.
Tally ho, dude. Woo!
Put it in fifth.
I am in fifth.
You know what I mean? Go forward. What do you mean go forward? Come on. Yeah, it's an episode of Family Guy. It's a great way to stay in shape.
Yeah, right.
Pay no attention to us, we're just the engine.
How's it going? You got Snapchat? You know what I mean?
We are at McDonald's.
What, the YouTube, something like that?
Yeah, something like that.
How's it going, Tommy?
You're sweating.
I'm f***ing sunning my balls off. Right here? Farther?
About to dunk on the sign, dude. What do you mean?
Come on, grab our drinks first. Kyle, hit the brakes when we get up front.
You guys are back again, huh?
You hear this?
Last time you come through, you had the exhaust stick out the engine.
Yeah, we were in the Miata.
Yeah.
Sweet tea, dude, let's go. Here you go, you.
Let me get my slushy. Pedal up.
Thank you, sir.
You know what I mean?
Oh, come on.
Oh, just grab it.
Thank
you. Have a good one.
I don't even need the handlebars, boys. You already know.
Look at this. All right, look at this, dude. Kyle, hit fifth.
I am.
Oh
You're
my.
not in fifth, bud.
No shot.
You're in third, eh?
Hang on.
Oh, that's fifth. Oh yeah, that's fifth right there.
Oh,
bud.
bud, who the f makes this change?
Holy, pull over. Pull over, Kyle. Kyle, pull over.
Not in the handicap spot.
We're handicapped.
No, you're handicapped.
Oh my. Oh.
I don't know what you want me to do going 2 miles an hour.
You
I'm enjoying this.
just pop over, yeah.
Oh my god, I didn't even see all those people. Oh no. Oh no.
We do.
Literally pull over.
That's as far over as we're getting, you know what I mean?
This is probably not going to end well.
Oh well.
Oh my God, this shot right here.
What is this exactly?
A big bicycle, legally.
Because I'm wondering what this
No,
is.
it's not like anyone would be, you know.
Check it out.
We don't need a
police escort now? Can we get a picture of you on it? Come on, get on it. Get on it.
Yes,
Yes.
it does.
Yeah, wait for it. Are we good? Have a nice day, buddy.
Oh my God.
Let's get out of here.
Let's
Go. Put it in fifth.
Oh, put it in fourth, eh? Fifth gear might be a little bit too rough. That's fourth. All right, fourth gear is good.
This is
Kyle,
a
Kyle,
complete
here's
show.
the trick, right? Consistent pedal.
That was the best interaction with a cop I ever had in my life. And you know what I mean?
Yeah.
The cops don't even know what to fucking say. Like, he literally was speechless. Kyle, back it in next to Kyle, pull it behind Damien's 240.
We're gonna have to. We're gonna go ahead and expedite this posting. We'll resume with our regular scheduled programming in a day, but this is some of the shit that we've been up to. So welcome to the future, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
We have Scene Peens Snap Pack hats.
You guys asked for it. You guys asked for merch. We only got 10 hats though. So the first 10 to buy a hat for $100 is gonna get them. I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, $100 is a lot.
You know what I mean? Basically, the thing is, you get the hat, right? Nice hat, nice quality hat, dude. I got a little thumbprint there. Don't worry about it. You know what I mean? We work on cars. They're all the same color. They all say the same thing. We've gotten at least $600 donations for nothing in return. So basically, the hats are just like, you want to support the channel, cop a hat. There's only 10 of them. That's it. They're sold out. Never going to make them again. Taking a page from Nelk's book here. We'll make other merch, but this hat will never be a thing again, and this is our first ever merch.
The merch,
thing.
the
People keep
future
asking
merch
for the
will
merch.
also never be made again either.
Yes, like,
Yeah,
like
every
we're doing
drop is
every
that
drop,
it. That's
every
it.
drop, we're very limited, like 10, 20 pieces. That's it. If you want to support the channel and you were gonna donate on live stream anyway, at least get something in return right here. Scene Peens hats.
You just have to DM AJ on Instagram at, what's your Instagram?
This is gonna be but it's YIATAMVN.
We'll put it on the screen.
First
10 people to DM AJ and send the cash. We'll get it, and if you want the hats signed, whatever. I feel dumb saying that, but I know people like that kind of shit. DM AJ, let us know. We got 10 hats.
Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with everyone you know.
Share it on Facebook, share it with your grandma.
Follow the Facebook, because we're going to be starting posting every day, just like we do on YouTube. We're posting daily on YouTube. We're posting daily on Facebook, and we're live streaming, getting drunk for you
Every
BS
night.
Gaming.
BS Gaming, link description. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Peens.